Samgyetang is a whole chicken soup eaten in Korea when it's summer. We have notion of 이열치열, which translates to fighting hot weather with warm food. Science aside, the basic idea is to make you sweat and fight the heat. Let's see how it's done. Start with cold water. Some leeks, onions, garlic, ginseng and dates. If you don't have certain things, then don't sweat it. Just go with what you have. That's the fun of cooking. Now we'll boil them in a pot on medium heat for an hour. If this were to extract clear French broth, it would have been on low, but in Samgyetang, we need white milky broth. The thing I love about boiling is that they require minimum amount of attention. Yet again, make sure to never fall asleep. This is going to be used as a seasoning for your chicken. You can dip your chicken meat to this salty broth or add salt directly into the pot. Your choice really. Now Samgyetang is done and hope you have a hearty day.